Well, good morning. Welcome to sea day number 1, day number 2. Is this technically day 2? Yeah,
Technically, this is day number 2.
Day number 2, but day number 1 for the first full day. So we're up, we're dressed, we're quasi in outside mode. We're gonna go get some breakfast and we're gonna explore the ship, maybe do some outside stuff. I think it's supposed to be nice.
We might sit out by the pool deck and let our food settle, and then I might get on some slides.
What?
We'll see what the lines are like.
Okay. Yeah, because we don't have the key, so
yeah.
We'll see. All right, let's go.
Deck 9.
It's officially Sunday.
No, I can't
Doors
help it here.
opening.
You're all gonna die.
Going up. Doors closing.
It's actually not very hot. It's way cooler than I thought it was gonna be. Well, that was exciting. Blew my hat clean across the entire deck. Lucky it didn't go overboard. Alright. Windjammer. And washy. Washy. And eggs.
Yeah, these are Indian scrambled eggs, and this was called Puri, P-U-R-I. So, I like Indian food, so I thought I'd try it.
Yeah. And I got just like one of everything. Because, again, we gotta try all the royal things. And I did get lots of meat. I got sausage and bacon and corned beef hash. And this is our view. We actually got like the only table that was available by the window. So we're gonna enjoy our breakfast and this beautiful view and eat and be merry. Alright, so change of plans. It is kind of cool and windy outside. We did have rain yesterday and that brought in a cold front, and we're not far enough south yet. So we think we're going to save outside time for another day because it's actually kind of cool and very, very windy.
Very, very windy and very, very packed. Like we can't even find a place in a jacuzzi.
Well, yeah. I mean, that's your sea day morning.
Yeah.
That's what happens on sea day mornings.
Yes.
Especially the first sea day morning, when people are still all gung-ho to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and put their towel on a chair and go back to sleep. Don't do that.
Don't be that guy.
If you do that, stop. Just stop it. But yeah, so instead we're going to do more inside stuff. There's still so much of the ship we haven't seen. There's lots of stuff to see, lots of things to do. I'm wearing my other new shirt that Jamie got me. Look at there.
Toxicologist.
Here, let me turn it this way. You can probably read it better. Look at there. See? Oh, wait. Let me. Oh, man, cameras are hard. I don't know if that's. But there you go. So, that's the new shirt. Yeah, so we're going to do inside things for at least the time being. Probably most of the day. So, we're going to go check it out. Check out the rest of the ship we didn't get to see yesterday. And the freestyle machine. Alright. Coca-Cola freestyle machine. What?
You got too much ice.
We'll support out.
Yeah, but sometimes they say they run out of ice.
No Royal Berry Blast. I'm so mad. You gotta put the cup in. No, put it down. There you go. See, it's got the chip in it.
I forgot.
Enjoy fills until 5:21:22. So does that mean we can stay on the ship until 5:21:22? Our cup works. They can't kick us off. Okay. Heading down to deck 4. Deck 4, what do we got? Starbucks. Art. All the art. All the Starbucks. And this is the main dining room? Wow. We haven't been to the main dining room yet. With the food? Let's look at all the food. Huh? Brunch menu. Okay. So main dining room, Starbucks and Boleros. What's going on downstairs? Like everybody's lined up for. Do you have any idea? An art auction. All the art you can art. Could be. It's quite the line. It says coffee. Oh, $4 or $5. $6.25. Look, in Boleros, you can kind of see some water too. You got the red, I got the black. We're gonna fold some napkins. We're gonna be napkin folding experts. In the schooner bar.
Wow, mi piace mangiare una pizza, una bella pasta. Tutti, yo! Very good.
This is napkin folding. This is napkin twirling.
And 1, and 2, and 3. Good idea.
I think we're folding Crunchwrap Supremes.
Please, do it again. Good. You're a good student. And you here.
Yours looks better than mine.
What's happened?
Huh?
With
Yours
your
looks better
row.
than mine.
It's not a row.
Yours is good too.
What's this? Do it again. Fold and do it again. Let me see you here.
Oh.
Each corner to center. Fast, 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 fast.
Fast, fast, fast.
Wait, wait, wait. Nicely, nicely. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Oh.
1.
Beautiful.
And stop.
Yes. Yeah. Hi. Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day!
It is a real cake. I got for lunch buffet. Got salad. Salad. Jamie's getting salad. Potatoes, couscous, chicken, blackened fish, pineapple, spinach tart, pre-made salads. Look at that. Soups, split pea, minestrone. What do we got down here? Let's see what we got down here. Ooh, this is the cold cuts. Cold cuts, cheese. Got cheese, bread. Hello.
Afternoon.
Hey. We got more soups. Alright, here we got the carving station with pork loin. We got Mexican rice, quiche. Ooh, here's the Indian food. We got burgers, mac and cheese, hot dogs, grilled chicken. Nice. Okay. I think we're back around. Blackened Caribbean beef stew. Ooh, pork schnitzel. Nice. Okay. Alright. Mashed potatoes, gravy. Okay, let's eat. Over here in the sandwiches, we got jet pork wrap, tuna avocado. Pork spread. Nice. And the pasta bar. Pasta. Okay. Alright, so we came back to the room. We did the important things like nap. And so tonight, first night MDR, we're gonna check it out. Like I said, never been a Royal Caribbean MDR before. So tomorrow is the Dress Your Best, correct?
Yes.
And so tonight's just regular MDR, but we're still gonna go. Of course, we're doing my time dining, and our time is apparently 7:45 because that's
When our reservation is for my time dining.
right. Even though we don't want that to be our time, but we'll talk about that more later. So, all right, let's go.
Now I'm floating like a butterfly, speaking like I'm here to earth dry. I'm in for zero. Thank you so much.
Just a read it's really. Do you believe it's real? I can't hear you. Do you believe it's real? Yeah. Would you like to hear me play? Yeah. We'll start with one finger. Nice and quiet, yeah? Cheers, come on. How many people by clapping have to work tomorrow? How come you're not drinking? This bar's right there, right there. How many people have to get up early tomorrow by clapping?
Hell no.
Why? Why aren't you drinking? Come on, you can take an elevator home if you get really bad. Seriously, this happened to me last week. You get really bad, you call someone, they'll actually pick you up in a wheelchair and dump you in your bed. Have some fun with that security. All right, there you go. Don't give a back, be the sound of the sound.
Come sail away, come sail away, come sail away with me.
The regular crowd shuffles in. There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic and gin. For a melody, when I go out, well I know I'm dirty, I'm dirty, along with you. Our hearts are thumping. My brown-eyed girl. Oh, touch